All right, guys, grab some pine cones. Okay, look over here, guys. There's some more over here for Manny and Ben. I want you guys to grab one.
Do we always grab one?
Just one's fine, yep.
Okay.
All right, guys, let's go back. All right, Ben, so you have sun butter there, okay? And they have peanut butter, because you're allergic to peanut butter. So what the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our strings and we're gonna tie them on our pine cone.
Okay. What's the next
Oh, did you not get it tied on, Manny? Don't tie both sides. You want it to hang.
Well,
right.
yeah, I thought. Well, why did it easy way? It was from here.
Did you? Oh, you can't do it that way, Ben. Do you know why? Because you're gonna hang. We're gonna hang it on a tree. All right, so we're gonna tie this off. Okay, it's gonna hang from the tree.
Can we put the peanut butter on now?
Go, Manny. Keep going.
Yeah,
Do you understand how it's gonna work? So that the
Keep going, Ben. You gotta put almost all that
on.
on there. So you gotta hold your pine cone. Get it closer.
If we get some summer on the news.
Right, so.
Go ahead and pull the string up.
There we
Look
go.
at that. You ready? Okay, Manny.
Steady here.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna put our hand on the top, and then we're gonna shake it. Ready? We're gonna turn it a little bit. Throw it around. Hey, Manny.
Look at that, guys.
This way.
I made mine.
Look at that.
Acorns.
So where are you guys gonna hang them? What tree do you think we should? The front yard, so we can watch out the front window?
No, there's no spot to hang on that tree anymore.
No, I guess there's not. I just thought, oh, then we could watch them out the front window.
The backyard by the hammock spot would be the best spot.
Almost.
So Manny, what are you doing right now?
I am making the pool right
Yeah?
now.
You pumping it up?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, is it hot today?
Yeah, it's summer.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Me
Yeah.
too. I love summer more than winter.
Hey, so do I, Ben. I do as well, as long as I can get cooled down. Enjoy the summer.
love in the summer because I can get warm in the summer.
Yeah, it's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can bike and play outside. Yeah, that's so fun.
Without snow pants.
Yeah, that's right. You getting tired, Manny?
No, I got it.
You got it?
Yep. So
What does what say?
that.
It says be careful and have an adult always watch kids because kids can drown in portable pools.
Oh.
And that's not good. And it says no diving and no jumping. No jumping. That says prevent drowning. That says no diving or jumping in a different language. So it's the first day where it's in the 70s, and I checked the weather for the rest of the week and it's going to be consistently in the 70s or higher. So we're like, might as well get the pool out and get things ready and getting prepared for summer. We have some excited boys, right?
Yeah! Yeah, we are.
That's way too loud, Manny. Way too loud. All right, I'll take back over, ma'am. Thank you for serving.
This is his air mattress pump.
I want to do it
It is.
by myself.
You want to be by yourself?
I think all three of us have got pinched with that.
It's true.
I got pinched the last day.
All right, hop
Yep.
over. I'm gonna take over.
Hey, you want to bring your trampoline out? No? Do you want me to bring it out? Manny, do you want me to bring the trampoline out?
Yeah!
Okay.
Sure.
I gotta word. Be careful how I word things.
Right.
There you go. You gotta tuck your knees up so that you make a splash. But if you tuck your knees up, psh.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You got a flower.
I got a flower too.
Oh, that's my stuff.
You guys enjoying these?
Mm-hmm.
Yogurt fruit.
Ben, you better
smoothie
say
bars?
thank you. You're on camera.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you. Thanks, Aunt Char.
You're welcome.
So can you guys tell me what you're doing here?
Eating,
Well, in the water table. What are you guys doing there?
playing.
Yeah.
You want to show you how you hop a frog? Do a leapfrog. How does it work?
Woo! So we're enjoying a game of frisbee.
Yeah.
What are these called?
I don't know. They're like smoothie pops. I took like bananas, strawberries, coconut yogurt, blueberries.
Mm-hmm.
I might have thrown some spinach in there. I don't remember. Or maybe I think I just threw the whole strawberry, like top and everything.
Yeah.
And then there's a little bit of protein powder, maybe a little bit of coconut milk too, but mostly yogurt. So they're like yogurt smoothie, berry
That's good.
pops with banana. I don't know.
Enjoying our 80+ degree day.
Is it really over 80 degrees?
It is.
I know it like feels like it. I just didn't know if it was.
It was like 77, 76, plus real feel 84. It's hot.
I like it.
It's too hot.
I like it being hot. I would rather. The only reason I appreciate the cold weather is I like being able to wear different fall clothes. I would be okay with summer and fall.
Yeah.
Just trading between summer and fall.
Yeah.
And then doing like a week or 2 week vacation where we go somewhere in the winter and do all the things.
Like the end of August to mid-October. Just repeat that. August through October every year. I love it. Good temperatures. Fun clothes. Yeah.
Or the first snowfall.
And
Because
then-
I like there's things I like doing
Yeah.
with snow. I like going tubing. I like building things in the snow.
Yeah.
You know, hiking, snowshoeing.
Snowboarding.
Like there's all these things I like to do, but like over the course of the winter, you don't really get to do them all because, you know, you have normal life stuff. So if it was a vacation, you would do them all.
It's true. I snowboard all the time.
Like when Josh and Holly came here, we did all the things.
Yeah.
But we didn't do that stuff all the time. I'm gonna have to.
You think so? Hi guys. Yeah. Are you enjoying outside, Manny?
Yes.
Yeah.
You look really warm. Are you still wet and cold a little? Does the sun feel
A
good?
little cold.
A little cold. The sun feels good though, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Here, if you keep your towel on you, warm up in the sun. Want to use this like a pillow?
What's up?
Goodbye. Hi, Camden. I wish you could come to us.
Yeah, my friend Camden.
You're gonna miss Camden.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's hard when friends move, huh? Yeah. All right, let's see it. That is very cool. Do you think you could take another step up? Walk your hands up the rope?
What?
Try again. There you go. Can you do another step? No?
I want to slow
having fun, Ben?
What?
Yeah? Where are we now?
We're in the woods.
That's right, we're in the woods.
We're out of the woods. We're kind of in the woods.
Oh, here, we gotta do that again, dude. All right, so what are we doing, Manny?
We're going in the forest.
We're going in the forest? What are we on?
My name is Bike.
Our neighbors let us borrow their four-wheeler. And so, here we go. We're riding this. We're going through one of the trails. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, here we go. Ready? All right, we're going through some down trees. Watch your head. Woo, you ready? Going around here.